Welcome to PathLink with Pyronix 4G. You can order PathLink through your ARC as normal. The unit is shipped with an AddSecure roaming SIM card. Please make sure you install the modem as per the Pyronix installation guide. This video is to be used alongside the installation guide. Power up the alarm panel after installing the modem as shown in the Pyronix 4G guide. PathLink is supported by the following control panels: Pyronix Enforcer, Pyronix Euro 46, V10 or later, Pyronix Euro 76. These are software version dependent. Once you have installed PathLink using the installation guide, you can then program the panel with the following AddSecure information: APN, TA number, IP address, ARC port number, password and connection handle. The information will be sent by email after the service is ordered and the modem has been dispatched. Enter programming mode on the panel in the normal way or refer to the panel installation guide. Step through the menu options by pressing No until Communications appears on the display. Then enter the Communications submenu by pressing Yes on the keypad. Select the modem type, which should be set to GPRS, then press Yes on the keypad. Press No to go back to the submenu and program the GPRS. Press Yes to enter the submenu, program GPRS. Then enter the APN. Enter the APN that was in the email you will have received. Step through the menu until you have reached Program ARC, press Yes to go to ARC Details, then press Yes. The ARC comms path should be GPRS. Press Yes until you have reached Format on the display, which should be set as ENIP SIA. Press Yes to go to the ARC account, after entering any other information in the submenu. Enter the TA number provided by AddSecure. Press Yes to get to ARC Details, then press Yes to sign up to the ARC. Press Yes to enter the ARC code IP address. Then enter the IP address provided by AddSecure. After the IP address is entered, enter the ARC port number, which is 08505. Press Yes and set the security level to normal by pressing Yes again. Press Yes to ARC password and enter the password provided by AddSecure. Next, you will need to enter the connection handle provided by AddSecure. After entering the connection handle, press Yes to start sign up to ARC, then press Yes to confirm. The display will show connecting. Once the unit is connected, the display will show registered with ARC successfully. Within the Engineer's Diagnostics menu, you can check for signal strength. The higher the number between 1 and 31, the better the signal strength. 12 is the minimum signal level required. You should always test the communications with the ARC. To do this, you'll need to go to the Engineer Tests menu. Press Yes to enter the submenu, then No to step through the submenu until you get to Test Communications, then press Yes. Press Yes again. Then you'll need to check with the Alarm Receiving Center that the test communications have been received. You have now finished installation and setup. Thank you for choosing PathLink from AddSecure. Should you need support, the details are shown on the screen.